Whenever Claude gives me something wrong, I don't send a follow-up telling you what to fix. I stopped doing that months ago, and it's one of the bigger reasons why my feature on Claude actually lasts. You see, here's the thing about sending a correction message. It costs more on Claude. So every message you send is going to be exponentially more expensive. So if Claude gives you bad output and you reply explaining what went wrong, you spent two messages to get one usable answer. And on the free plan, that math adds up really quickly. The way most people use Claude right now is that they send a prompt and then they get something back that's close but not quite right. And then they send a second message saying, actually make it shorter or don't include that part. That second message feels harmless because it's just one more message, right? Who cares? But if you're doing that 3 or 4 times a day, you've already spent half your limit on repairs.